This video shows how to replace the expanded 2.5-inch drive backplane on a PowerEdge XE7100. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all the attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/PowerEdge manuals. To begin, first, loosen the blue thumb screw on the front of the system. Then pull the expander module handle and slide the module out of the enclosure. To remove the expander 2.5-inch hard drive backplane, you must remove all the drives from the module. Now, disconnect the power cable from the backplane, remove the screws, and then lift the backplane out of the system. To replace the expander 2.5-inch drive backplane, insert the backplane firmly until it is fully seated. Tighten the screws, and then reconnect the power cable to the backplane. Next, insert the drives into the module. Now, insert the expander module firmly until it is fully seated. Push the handle, and finally, tighten the blue thumb screw. You've replaced the expanded 2.5-inch drive backplane on a PowerEdge XE7100. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.